Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTD. This Silverado is featured in a custom Trail Boss trim and is a Summit white paint finish. Under the hood we have a 6.2-liter V8 engine with our automatic transmission as well as four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 6-passenger seating on our jet black cloth seating surfaces. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a driver information system, cruise controls, as well as power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. Outside the vehicle, we have a remote start system, black alloy wheels, a black assist step, 2-inch factory lift, a tonneau cover, power tailgate, as well as our spray-on bed liner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and rear window lock. Storage with our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow mode, as well as transfer case settings for four-wheel drive, and interior and exterior lighting controls. Electronic parking brake down the side as well. Manual driver's seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have that driver information system, and we can adjust it with this black lever on the right-hand side. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, that's where we have our cruise settings, and then our wiper controls are on our turn signal. Column shifter behind on the right-hand side. Keyed ignition, we have our tonneau box key, as well as remote start on our key fob with power tailgate and an alarm system. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, if we go audio and more, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Then we have a phone connection, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer light controls, OnStar, and our settings. Second page has our backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines. Then we have home, seek, volume, and hands-free below. Single zone front AC controls with our heat and front and rear defrost, AC on the right, and then zone controls throughout. Below that we have auto stop start, power tailgate, alarm system, traction control, and downhill assist. USB-C, USB-A, 12-volt, and 120-volt plug in the front of the vehicle. Then we have storage throughout with 2 cup holders, our leather finished console that opens up to more deep storage. If we simply push up on the front of the seat, we can lock it into place to make a third front seat. Release is down the side, and we can just pull and push forward. You can see both center and outboard seat for passenger are finished in jet black cloth. Lastly, moving above our rearview mirror, we have our OnStar settings, dome lights on either side, with our dome lighting controls across the front. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, just before the front door, we have our Z71 off-road badging. Looking to the front tire and rim, we have a black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap, as well as all-terrain tires. Black assist step across the side of the vehicle with black mirrors and black door handles. 2-inch lift throughout the vehicle. Near the back of the bed, we have Trail Boss badging, as well as corner bumper steps. All the way around at the back, Chevrolet etched into the tailgate. Silverado in custom and chrome, dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as trailer tow hitch. Opening into the back, we have our power tailgate with easy lift functions. In the bed of the truck, LED and bed lighting, 3 cable tie downs in both front and back on either side, as well as our tonneau box storage system, a spray-on bed liner, and our hard rolling tonneau cover. Moving into the back of the crew cab, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, 2 rear vents in the back of our center console center seat combo. We have rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. Second row seat is a 60/40 folding bench finished in our jet black cloth. If we simply lift up on the front of these seats, we can fold them up and lock them into place to make additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTD. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.